Hi beautiful people, what is up? This is DELL. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you a possible move on gold that can incredibly give us an insane amount of pips. So without further ado, I'm just going to dive right into the video. Now if you've been watching my previous videos, you know I've been talking a lot about the 3-touch rule when it comes to trading gold. However, for some time now the market has been giving us significant amount of pips after price created its highest high on gold. That was in the regions of 20 something, right? So we are going to be delving exactly into what I'm seeing on the chart and what we could possibly see that could give us a beautiful swing opportunity. I hope you find this video very early so you can partake of this particular beautiful move. So stay tuned and enjoy this one. So if you head over into my chart and you look at gold on the daily time frame, you can tell that after gold had created its high from 21,400 or 2150 area, which is also a key psychological area, we can also tell that steadily price came all the way into this particular area, which is 1972. So I'm going to mark out these zones over here, but then there's something profound that we need to look out over here. We could tell that price was form of like, moving in this particular trend, but we saw that price was not able to hold that particular area. Now if you are to look at the movement of price from a particular downtrend, now you can tell that on the daily time frame price is in a steady downtrend. Why am I saying price is in a steady downtrend? It's simply because the market is showing us series of lower lows and lower highs. So we can tell that in this particular area price had formed a lower high, came to form a lower low, then a lower high, then a lower low, and price is currently here right now. So we're expecting price to continue its move to the downside, at least to come into this area. But let me just draw my chart patterns and identify. So I'm going to pull from this trend line all the way even into this area on the daily. So I'm going to come on the 4-hour and I'm going to draw it clearly. So you can see this is the first touch, then this is my second touch. So I'm going to denote it with this highlighter tool. So this is my first touch, this is my second touch, and then we are expecting a third touch in this particular region. Right now, if you are to pull up your trend tool over here, you can clearly tell that this is in a descending channel, right? And also I can also pull up another trend line in this particular area and also pull out one from, let's say, this point all the way even into this point. Now anytime we spot this type of chart patterns, anytime we spot a pattern within a pattern, it's a strong indication that this market is giving us good sentiments. However, because we have that idea that this market is in a downtrend, I actually saw a beautiful move to actually buy on this market early in the morning, but I was not so much interested in that opportunity because I really wanted to take advantage of the selling opportunities because this market is in a downtrend. Now the only reason I'm going to be selling if I should see strong rejections in and around this particular area right over here. So I want to be patiently seeing rejections in and around this area before I'm going to short on opportunities. However, whatever happens here, I'm not so much interested in this move. Maybe I'm going to spot an opportunity for price to pull back into this area to form another third touch, then possibly buy to this move for a scalping move, and then I'm going to short. But patiently I'm going to be waiting for price to scale up into the zone. If price decides to drop from this point to this point about 60, 70, 80 pip ish, I'm just going to be patiently waiting. So we have a lot of day trading opportunities today. If we are to spot it, today is the 29th of January, so I'm going to be patiently waiting to see. So for example, if price should come into this area, I'm going to be buying all the way into this area right over here. I'm going to have my stop loss right beneath the structure. Or if I should see price pushing up strongly, then I'm going to be looking out for my strong confirmations and I'm going to be shorting all the way even into an area like this over here, right? So this is a very good opportunity for us. Now this is what I want us to look at. If this market is in a descending channel, right, and then we are seeing price rejecting in this particular zone. So let me clear this area so that all of you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Then it simply means that this market is going to be dropping in any worst case scenario at least to another area Why am I saying that? Because this was the first touch. This was also a second touch, so we should kind of expect a third touch. And if you have to look at the pip in movements, it's going to be from at least just about 480 plus pips. Now, because this is also a descending channel, if the market should break out of that descending channel, then it means that this market should 90% of the time come to test the reason why it started this channel, which is this particular area. Most of the time, this is what, you know, a lot of traders do not know, that anytime you spot a channel and there's a breakout, most of the time in the long run, the market will eventually come into this particular area. So I am patiently looking in this particular area, right, for a potential move if this market should actually break out. So the question is, which of them seems good for you? Now, if the market should break out, let's be very patient for a retest before we jump in on the trade. We want to confirm that the retest is solid, followed by strong bullish sentiment, and then we jump on. Why am I saying that? Because in this particular area, we can consider it as a consolidation, because in this particular area, you see how price is kind of like, you know, consolidating in this zone. So we just want a strong breakout of that zone, a retest of that zone, a strong confirmation, and then we are going to be jumping in. So is it going to be a 500 plus pip move or a 480 pip move? Now, if you are going in for sales, let me know in the comment section below. If you're jumping in for buys, let me know in the comment sections below. However, make sure not to miss this opportunity. If you have a live account, make sure to make use of this move. These are the kind of moves that can help you and change your trading journey and allow you to make insane amount of money. Personally, for me, I'm waiting so that I can enter some 1 lot or 2 lot on this move and patiently wait to cash out on 500 pips. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is DELL. Peace out.